Title: Balancing Your Weight with Mindfulness and Meditation. Introduction. In a world where weight management often revolves around fad diets and quick fixes, a holistic approach that incorporates mindfulness and meditation is gaining recognition. Welcome to our exploration of how these practices can play a pivotal role in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Understanding mindfulness and meditation. Before we dive into the ways mindfulness and meditation contribute to weight management, let's briefly understand these practices. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, free from judgment. It encourages awareness of thoughts, emotions, and sensations, empowering us to make conscious decisions. Meditation, on the other hand, involves focusing your attention inward through techniques like deep breathing or guided visualization. It fosters inner calm, enhances self-awareness, and provides a sense of balance. Segment 1. The Power of Mindful Eating. One of the key aspects of weight management is our relationship with food, and mindful eating can revolutionize that relationship. Here's how. Savoring each bite. Mindful eating invites us to fully appreciate the flavors, textures, and aromas of our food. This heightened sensory experience leads to greater satisfaction and reduces the urge to overeat. Listening to hunger. Mindful eating helps us recognize genuine physical hunger cues, distinguishing them from emotional or boredom-driven eating. This awareness prevents overindulgence. Portion control. It promotes portion control by making us aware of portion sizes. This aids in calorie management and avoids mindless overeating. Reducing emotional eating. Mindfulness helps us identify emotional triggers for eating, offering healthier coping mechanisms instead of turning to food. Segment 2. Meditation for stress reduction. Stress is a common factor that can lead to weight gain due to increased cortisol levels. Meditation serves as a potent tool for stress reduction, which is crucial for effective weight management. Stress eating prevention. Meditation equips us to manage stress without resorting to emotional eating, curbing unhealthy food choices. Better sleep. Improved sleep quality, a side effect of meditation, supports healthy eating habits by reducing late-night cravings. Emotional resilience. Regular meditation enhances emotional resilience, reducing the impact of stress on our food choices. Segment 3. Practical strategies for effective weight management. Now, let's combine mindfulness, meditation, and practical strategies to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Meal planning. Mindfully plan balanced, nutritious meals to prevent impulsive, unhealthy choices. Regular exercise. Combine meditation with physical activity like yoga or mindful walks to boost calorie burn and build a strong mind-body connection. Journaling. Keep a mindful eating journal to track your food choices, emotions, and hunger cues. Mindful cooking. Engage mindfulness while cooking, using fresh, whole ingredients to create nourishing meals. Social support. Join mindfulness or meditation groups to foster a supportive community that shares your wellness goals. Consistency. Be patient and persistent, as weight management is a journey, not a destination. Maintain a regular mindfulness and meditation practice alongside your dietary and exercise efforts. Conclusion. Balancing your weight isn't just about the numbers on a scale. It's about nurturing a harmonious relationship between your body and mind. Mindfulness and meditation offer the tools to develop a healthier connection with food, manage stress, and make conscious choices. Now, I invite you to take a step towards a healthier and more balanced life. If you haven't subscribed yet, it's not too late. Hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's continue this journey together. Thank you for subscribing, and for those who've already joined us, thank you for your ongoing support. Together, we'll explore the transformative power of mindfulness and meditation in our pursuit of well-being.